starts now.
All right, and we're going to go from hot to hot. We're going to change the spelling a little bit. And making sure the rest of your holiday season is red hot. 11 courses. Wow. Catering founders Melissa and Jim Benson are cooking with Como coming up a little bit later as well. They're working on the menu right now. Look at them, the two of them. Y'all can have your beauty edibles. I'm into the old-fashioned food edibles. The holiday's not over yet. That means there's still plenty of time to host a party. So this morning we are sharing some modern menu ideas. And with all the details, let's go cooking with Como.
Oh, I like the sound of that, Steve. And for help, we're turning to the nationally recognized chef and event designer team, Melissa and Jim Benson. Jim is here showing us how to create a designer menu called the Haute Holidays 2018, with everything from a hot chocolate ombre flight to a 4-course red and green menu. For details, Jim, thank you so much for coming in. The spread is beautiful that you put together.
It is a pleasure to be here today to talk about all the things you can do with the holidays.
Okay. Yes. Especially because Christmas might be over, but the pressure to get that New Year's Eve or New Year's Day event on it's here.
Yeah, the pressure is always there, especially for myself at home. You know, they're like, you got to bring it this year, you know.
They expect a lot from you. So what did you bring in today for us?
All right, so what we have, you know, we're going with that, you know, special, you know, we're looking for some elegance, you know, but keep it simple. You know, we got enough pressure on ourselves, right, around the holidays that we need to keep it simple for ourselves. So
simple ingredients.
So with this, we're going to start our dinner with a simple soup, right? But play with those colors of red and green, silver and gold, right? So we have not only some beautiful dynamics here, but also we want to have some delicious, great food that's going to get people talking.
Yes, taste is good.
So we're starting off this asparagus soup with a vegetable stock. So, you know, you can go bring something from the store, keep it simple on yourselves, or if you really want the challenge, you know, get some
make your own vegetable stock.
Yeah, it's water, some vegetables, and some thyme. So we'll start with that, and to that we're going to add some seasoning. So a little bit of salt and white pepper. To that, we're going to add a little bit of chives. To that, just to add some fragrance to the broth. To that, simply some shallots. That we've kind of chopped and sauteed ahead of time, some sage, and some asparagus.
One thing I've learned from holiday cooking segments is fresh herbs. Definitely something you have to use.
Exactly, and I like to go with, you know, highlight one particular herb. So here we really want that sage to come through, and we're not going to really cover it up with multiple different herbs. We really want that sage to shine.
And was that a little bit of oil?
A little bit of white wine. We need some good wine around the holidays. Good wine makes a great party.
Did you only bring that little serving right there of wine?
I had a lot more, but that's what made it to the segment.
Look at this cocktail. You can have one of those.
Chef, is there a difference in taste between white and black pepper?
Yes. You know, I think white is a little bit more intense. It's going to be a little bit more impactful, and also it's not you're not going to get those little specks through the. So if you're going for something
better in a clear dish,
exactly. So we're going to have that vibrant green soup, and so that the white pepper kind of dissipates within that.
And what puree did you just add?
So we added simply an asparagus puree. So we got our blender, threw in some blanched asparagus, a little water, and that was it. And then we'll finish it with a little bit of cream.
Yum. And how long do you cook that?
And so we're going to reduce that by half, so it thickens up as we have here in this soup.
Finished product?
Yes, yes. And then we add over this a little bit of creme fraiche, just for some accent, and this is going to get people talking because we're making that plate beautiful as well as tasty.
The presentation just as important.
A little bit of chives, some fresh crispy sage that we sauteed in some olive oil, and we're off to a great start.
I like it.
Oh, we're just starting?
Oh, yeah.
All that just for the first day?
Just all that, yeah. Wow. You might want to start a day ahead of time, you know.
And what else do we have? What about the salad?
And so with our all approach for these parties is just taking familiar items and taking like on a little bit of outside the box thinking. So we have a Waldorf salad.
Looks
and
a little deconstructed.
A little deconstructed. And we have celery ribbons with apple that has been dehydrated to get that crunch as well as that intense apple flavor. We made a dressing with some yogurt, honey, a little garlic aioli, bib lettuce, a little bit of cranberries there for that tartness. Oh, healthy, yeah. Well, you know, we learned how to make a soup outside.
So let's get over. Can we move over here and talk about this thing? Because this doesn't look healthy. All right, so
you got to end on a sweet note. Yeah, totally. So we have a delicious decadent brownie with ancho chili, cherries, a beautiful Madagascar vanilla frosting, and a little bit of green sugar just to really take it all out.
All I heard was Madagascar vanilla.
That's all you to try, guys.
All right, coconuts?
Coconut flakes.
Coconut flakes.
Okay,
Yeah.
gotcha, okay.
Yeah.
One thing that I noticed for the holidays, though, is with not just the salad, but the drinks as well, the red and the green factor, really playing that up strong with the colors.
Exactly. It's a great point. You know, with color, with dynamics of height, your guests are going to walk away from that party saying, not only it's the holidays, but, you know, I want my holidays to be like that. They're going to be talking the rest of the year.
Oh, yeah.
And you know, it just, you know, we eat with our eyes.
So if we're doing 11 courses, do we have a main course?
Oh, we do,
Right here
and we
we
have
have
a
it.
delicious pasta
Funny you
dish.
mentioned that, Steve.
Yeah, thank you. So we have
The
this.
main course be this. but that's his name.
I'm all about it. So we have this awesome pasta dish. You know, we kind of keep it into a little mound there, center of the plate, and then it's a little bit of surprise in between. We have confit tomato, pistachio, elements of crab in there, and it's vibrant with the red and green colors, and impactful with flavor,
But
which
all
is what
the
you want as well.
different courses seem light enough that you can still enjoy your meal without being overly stuffed, so you can still enjoy the party after.
Exactly. You know, you want to keep it light, leave plenty of room for these cocktails as well. You don't want to bombard people with too large of portions. And, you know, it's always 11 courses at our house.
Right.
So,
Yeah.
you know.
And how many years of cooking school do you need to go to do this?
A good solid week of meeting when we go
My
in.
next
Yeah.
question:
All right.
where can people get a hold of you if they want to maybe get some catering services if
Sure,
this is a
you
little
go-
above their head?
You can go to our website, 11courses.com, 11 spelled out, and you know we love to share recipes. So give us a call. We do large-scale events, small-scale events, weddings, galas, you name it. And of course, this time of year we're super busy with all of the parties and entertaining.
As you want to be.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for coming in. This was a fun segment. I'm excited to try Brown.
Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you very
highly
much.
recommend that.
And much more healthy than my 11-course pasta meal.
I wish for
Basically,
11 course pasta
11
meal.
portions of the same thing. Okay. Thanks, Chef. It's 10:53. We'll be right back.